Oh, here's a weird one. I kind of like this one. I've been getting a little more tennis news since I clicked on the... What is Naomi Osaka? I clicked on when she bailed out on a tournament, and it was a top trending story, and I was curious about it. And then now, so my feed getting a little bit more tennis related stuff. And one thing that has always struck me about the tennis situation is the relationship between the athlete and the judge. Have you ever witnessed any of this stuff? They had like a weird dynamic. They're always, I guess in any sport, you're irritated with the ref, but this is a different, it's only one guy. There's not multiple refs to be mad at. And it's super intimate. Like, it's quiet. You know how quiet it is at the tennis match compared to, I don't know, team sports? It's kind of like golf, a little bit louder than golf. So there's been really high profile blow-ups and arguments. I think Serena Williams, there was a couple of clips a while ago. Anyway, this is a kind of a nothing argument, but I love it. So you can go ahead and play. Can you play it? Play a little bit of it. And I'll explain what the dispute was about. So this was a second round match. And the guy in the white shirt there, okay, pause it here. He's talking to the judge right now, and the judge is saying, I don't want your bag there. And he's saying, my bag is always here. And apparently, by the way, a lot of tennis players are very superstitious about the placement of their items. And the judge is saying, no, that bag is too close to the line of the court. And he's saying, well, it's not my fault you guys put the benches so close because normally the benches are further back. Play a little bit more of it.
Because it's pretty close to the tram line. And players are creatures of habit.
But you can tell he's irritated here. And he says, I'm not moving it. And he basically just says, no. And the judge can't do it, doesn't do anything about it.
Yeah, I mean, it is crazy how close the chairs are at times.
The commentary. Yeah.
Maybe I saw I'm trying to think of a movie I saw. Was there a Wes Anderson movie with tennis in it? I think so. Anyway, it's a funny, there's something so intimate and they're mic'd up. Like you hear it all so well. Whatever their dialogue happens to be. And
it's not overboard, not overly dramatic.
And it's also interesting that he can just not do it. He's like, no, you should move the benches back then.
Yeah.
And it's in the public because in other sports, if you go at the ref like that, like, no, I'm not going to do it, that's not an option. It's a penalty or whatever. But here, they just stop talking about it and the game goes on.
To the tram line. And players are creatures of habit.
He said, no, I can't move it.
Yeah, I mean, it is crazy how close the chairs are at times.
And everybody's watching.
Yeah.
It's great. I got to go to one of these tennis events. I've got to have this experience at one time.
Listening to the drama?
I don't know. There's just something about it. It's its own thing.
What was the outcome with
nothing? He left. Oh, I don't know what happened in the game.
Oh.
But he left it there. So whatever the outcome wasn't impacted by the presence of the thing because he got to keep it where he likes it, the bag.
Yeah.
You get into weird things on the internet.